Here we are a few minutes later. Her busyness is gearing down a little bit. She's picked up and done flamingo stretches in that right hind a couple times now. This is starting to feel like we're getting a little more peaceful. Right and left, and right and left. There's our first yawn. And head forward and still for just a moment. Then another little yawn. And we have to go back to our looking out, right, left. There's another yawn. So sitting here waiting and letting her sort through her own. There's another half yawn. Good. There's another yawn. Let her sort through all this. Why can you not go inside yourself and relax? Why do you need to walk the stall? Why do you need to walk the paddock? What do we need to do? How can we solve this in you so you could stand and eat, stand and sleep? You'll see she yawns, and that's so foreign that she immediately bonks back out of it to adrenaline, eyes wide open. See this adrenaline? Look outside. She's used to being hypervigilant, and that's not serving her. I want her to realize this hypervigilance doesn't feel good. Adrenaline doesn't feel good. Endorphins feel good. Why don't you come in, and while I'm holding this space for you, take a nap while you're on the pallet. You don't need to be worrying about whatever's out there. She's like, they're in my paddock. But you've already been out. You've already been out for quite a few hours today. It's nice to get to come back in, get brushed, stand here, work on your pallet. Our eyes are wide open. We're in sort of a adrenaline state. The dogs are in that room behind her. I'm going to be ready in case she thinks she wants to come forward. But I'm not going to sit up and project, oh, fear, fear, fear. There's dogs behind you. No, there's a wall there. You can tolerate this. And the horse is never going to be any better than you are. And I've just got to sit here and project. Relax. We can't be out in the ring, sweetheart. It's icy. It's frozen. This is what we can practice. Standing in here and relaxing. So I caught kind of a nice spot where she was relaxing. And then she's popped out of it again. Okay, maybe she wants to go back there. But it's interesting. It's so foreign to her to be just soft and relaxed. Oh, we've got our right hind foot back on the pallet. And I'm just going to trust that the horse knows what it needs better than I do. But I sort of swish here with my stick to say, there isn't a choice of walking out. You have a spell there. Still left, right, looking off. Left, right, looking off. But I do like that we are, let's see if I can get it, resting this hind foot on the pallet. Good girl. You're a good girl. I'm just adjusting myself. And And this is probably boring for most people. But to me, if this is what it takes to get to the next spot with the horse, then I'm going to take this time to do it. So we're going to be off the clock for a few minutes here, waiting for her to get to her next relaxation space.